I'm here at Weber Restaurant Grill, and conducting classes is a dream come true.
The thing that I love most about this event is watching people discover something new, taste something new, learn something new about food and how things taste, how things are done, and seeing their faces react like, oh my gosh, that was so amazing.
If you've never had a totally immersive barbecue experience where you learn the science and the art of barbecue, this class is going to be a treat.
And the coolest thing about it all is Weber as a product is one of the only things out there that just gives to people. And just like this class, we're giving all this knowledge so people can go back home and cook the absolute best food for their families. And there's no better gift than being able to do that.
I love coming to this event because not only do you get the best of the best, you get Tuffy, Stone, you get Harry, Sue, you get all these people who just love barbecue, and they're all together and you can talk hours on end.
This is Bill Dumas, otherwise known as the Sausage Sensei, coming to you live from Weber Grill right here in Palatine, Illinois. I'm about to do an epic sausage making course right here with none other than Harry, Sue, and Tuffy Stone. So get ready for something big, bold, and adventurous in Wienerland right here at Weber. Be there or be square.